Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the latest and greatest in AI developments from around the globe. From Microsoft's innovations to Italy's new AI framework, the world of artificial intelligence is buzzing with activity. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Microsoft's Phi-3 Mini. This compact AI model boasts 3.8 billion parameters, packing the power of larger models into a size that's practical for use on personal devices. It's part of Microsoft's effort to democratize AI, making it more accessible for applications that require quick local processing without constant cloud connectivity. It will be available in the Microsoft Azure AI Model Catalog and on Hugging Face, a platform for machine learning models, as well as Ollama, a lightweight framework for running models on a local machine. It will also be available as an NVIDIA NIM microservice with a standard API interface that can be deployed anywhere. This model represents a significant step towards integrating AI in daily tech with lower costs and increased privacy. Microsoft also announced additional models to the Phi-3 family are coming soon to offer more choices across quality and cost. Phi-3 Small, 7 billion parameters, and Phi-3 Medium, 14 billion parameters, will be available in the Azure AI Model Catalog and other model gardens shortly. Microsoft is also expanding its capabilities in AI supercomputing with the strategic addition of Jason Taylor, a former executive from Meta. His expertise will enhance Microsoft's infrastructure to support more advanced AI systems. This move indicates Microsoft's readiness to tackle future technological challenges and ensure its infrastructure can handle increasingly complex AI tasks. Moving over to Europe, Italy is proactively shaping the future of AI through legislation. With a budget that could reach up to 1 billion euros, Italy aims to foster AI development while ensuring it complements human decision-making and autonomy. This legislative framework not only promotes AI innovation, but also introduces stringent safeguards, setting a precedent for other nations on ethical AI usage. On the creative front, Adobe is enhancing Photoshop with its Firefly 3 AI model. First, watch this. Adobe is adding some new generative AI tools to its Photoshop creative software that aim to give users additional ways to control the designs they generate. Powered by Adobe's new Firefly Image 3 Foundation model, these new tools are available today via the Photoshop Beta desktop app and will be generally available later this year, according to Adobe's press release. This new suite of tools leverages AI to allow for more intuitive and effective image editing. Users can now utilize reference images to directly influence AI-generated visuals, simplifying the creative process and enabling artists to achieve precise results more quickly and with less effort. Apple is stepping up its game in AI with the acquisition of Datakalab, a French company specializing in AI compression and computer vision technologies. This acquisition hints at future iOS features that could transform user interaction with Apple devices, enhancing functionalities like augmented reality and improving system efficiency on mobile devices. Meta is redefining wearable tech with updates to its Ray-Ban smart glasses.
Send a voice message to Laura on WhatsApp.
Hey, Dad, what you doing?
Just checking on you. Just hurry back when you can.
You guys cooking?
Say hi to Mom.
Hey y'all, guess where we're at? Hey Meta, take a video.
Nice. Hey Meta, how many tablespoons are in a cup?
Hey Meta, look and tell me what kind of butterfly that is.
Okay, yes sir. My turn.
These now come with integrated video calling capabilities through WhatsApp and Messenger, enabling users to share their views in real time. The glasses also feature enhanced Meta AI, providing users with information and interaction options directly through their eyewear, blending style with smart technology. Meta is also pioneering a more open mixed reality ecosystem with its Meta Horizon OS. By allowing third-party hardware integration, Meta aims to create a more diverse and accessible technology landscape. This initiative will enable a wider array of devices to run mixed reality applications, potentially revolutionizing how consumers and businesses interact with digital content. OpenAI has introduced a series of enhancements to its API, focusing on providing enterprise-grade features that ensure robust security, scalable administration, and cost-efficient management for business applications. This update is designed to cater to organizations at various scales, from startups to large enterprises, enhancing their ability to integrate and utilize AI in a secure and manageable way. Enhanced enterprise-grade security. OpenAI has rolled out new security features such as Private Link, which ensures a secure, direct connection between Azure and OpenAI services, minimizing exposure to potential cyber threats from the open internet. This is crucial for enterprises that handle sensitive information and require strict data security measures. Additionally, the introduction of native multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security, helping businesses comply with increasing regulatory demands for data protection. Administrative control improvements. The new project's feature provides administrators with granular control over their use of the OpenAI API. Organizations can now assign specific roles and API keys to particular projects, enhancing operational transparency and accountability. This feature allows companies to restrict or allow access to certain AI models, tailor usage limits, and prevent unexpected cost overruns, offering a high degree of customization and control. Cost management tools. OpenAI has introduced tools to better manage and predict costs associated with AI deployments. For instance, businesses can now access provisioned throughput discounts, which offer reductions ranging from 10–50% based on the volume of the commitment. This is especially beneficial for businesses with consistent AI workload demands. Moreover, the Batch API allows for asynchronous processing of non-urgent tasks at a 50% reduced rate, providing a cost-effective solution for large-scale AI operations like model training or batch data processing. Scalability and flexibility. The API updates also include enhancements like the file_search capability, which supports ingesting up to 10,000 files per assistant, a significant increase from the previous limit 20. This feature is optimized for faster, more efficient data retrieval and has improved re-ranking and query rewriting capabilities, making it ideal for businesses that need to manage large datasets efficiently. Model access and integration. With the updated API, OpenAI is enabling more flexible integration of different AI models. Businesses can now choose specific tools or functions per API run, such as code interpreters or custom functions, allowing for tailored AI solutions that fit specific business needs. This flexibility ensures enterprises can leverage the right tools for the right tasks, optimizing performance and cost. These API enhancements by OpenAI are aimed at empowering businesses to deploy AI solutions more securely, efficiently, and at scale, paving the way for more innovative and effective uses of AI across various industries. That wraps up our whirlwind tour of today's top AI developments. It's clear that AI is not just shaping technology, but redefining the very fabric of our daily lives and work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.